Yeah, and now all your mates are giving it to you, aren't they?
Yeah, 100%.
All right, mate. Let's get. We need two people in here. I mean, just like we rehearsed, gentlemen. Let's get them in here and let's rip the covers off. Righto, Johnny. What do we see? We have another one to go and we're standing right under the speakers, so I don't know how we're going to whistle and do all sorts. So Johnny, come over here, let's move a little further away. That's the way. All right, now turn around because the camera is right down there. Give everyone a wave. We're going around the world. Say hello, come on, you're nervous as anything. Wave to the camera, say hello. Yeah, and now all your mates are giving it to you, aren't they?
Yeah, 100%.
All right, mate. Let's get. We need two people in here. I mean, just like we rehearsed, gentlemen. Let's get them in here and let's rip the covers off. Righto, Johnny. What do we see?
It's a Red VL Calais, original turbo, but it's an LS twin turbo now.
Okay, Red VL Calais. Let's show some appreciation. Oh wow! Come on, make a bit of noise for him. How good! All right, you know why it looks so good also? Because Jimmy is here taking photos. No, that's okay, he's taking photos of everything. So, all right, let's hear a little bit about it.
I bought it 15 years ago. I was 17 years old. I never thought I'd bought a car like this, to be honest. It just kind of happened. First time I built it was a 454 LSX. Just a nice street car. I still believe it's a street car now. I want to drive it on the street. I got kind of over the first setup, so I went to a dark block twin turbo LS. Runs a G42. Yeah, that's about it.
That's about it. There's more to it than that, much more to it. Tell us you said you bought it quite a few years ago. Who did you buy it from? Where did it come from? What was the story before you had it?
So I bought it, I had a bit of an inheritance and I left a budget, 50,000. I was meant to buy a house with the rest. It kind of exceeded that 50 grand in the first couple of months. Yeah, it's pretty sentimental to me. It's got a lot of my father in it, so it means a lot to me.
Right, well, we can absolutely tell that, and no doubt again, he'll be another person that is up above, looking down, going, that is absolutely incredible. And again, so many life lessons here at Meguiar's MOTOREX, and now here's another one. If you get an inheritance, just blow it on a VL Calais.
That's it, mate.
All right, so let's have a talk about the interior as well, because again, against the red, that just looks beautiful.
So it's a Napa leather with an Alcantara. The shield fronts and twin shield buckets in the back. Mike from Complete Auto Trimming done all the trim. It's all custom trim, as I've got all my emissions running through the car, and basically the whole car's white inside. There's nothing underneath. It's a clear floor underneath. It's smooth and painted. Yeah, that's about it.
Okay, all right. So now you're going to drive it.
I'm going to drive it, but I want to show it again at Summits, and then I want to race it. That's what I built it for.
Can't wait to see you at Summits early next year, Johnny. Let's make a whole bunch of noise for Johnny. There he is. What a beautiful story behind that car as well. Well told. I know that wasn't easy for you, mate.
Thanks.
What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Nervous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky in your mind.